Hello everyone, I am going to make a how-to video on the Onan Marquis Gold 5500 watt RV generator. It's a 2002. I was having problems starting it. It would always die out after a few seconds. I changed the fuel pump, didn't help, messed with carb cleaning, etc. Turns out it is the choke pull off. With that part number, it's a Cummins. About $50 online or $100 at a dealer. This is the electric choke that opens the choke once it starts warming up. The vacuum choke pull off here opens immediately as soon as the intake manifold has a small vacuum. It'll open it up a 1/4 inch. If yours isn't doing that, it will stay closed and choke to death your engine, and it will die out because it's getting too much gas and not enough oxygen. So if that's happening, that's the problem. Once I switched that after a year of messing around with everything, I noticed when I held the choke open, as soon as it started, 1/4 inch, 10% or so, it stayed running smoothly. So I thought, aha. So it is this, easy to change, and it worked very well afterwards. In fact, I am going to start it right now. It hasn't been started for a month and a half, and we're in North Dakota with 25 below zero weather. Right now it's 36 above. So I'm going to prime it. Give it about 20 seconds, it's been a while. And see if it starts. I'll give it another quick prime. They're a little cold-blooded at this temperature.